Hi, I'm Heidi from WTI. Having this automatic litter box from PETKIT has made my cleaning of the litter so much easier. I love the fact that this litter box will tell me exactly how many times my cat has been using the litter. This litter box has built-in functions to know whether you want to clean the box now, deodorize, turn the light on, level the cat litter, maintenance, to reset, and configure. And then it'll go back to telling you exactly how many times your cat has used the litter box. This litter box is quite amazing when it is doing its cleaning. It knows when the cat is approaching. It has a little sensor to know exactly if the cat's there. Even if the cat jumps in, it'll actually tell you a little warning sign to let you know that the cat has approached or is in the litter box. And it will stop and make sure that your cat is safe. So it does come with an app, and on that app you can check your cat's weight as well as see how many times she's used the litter and so much more. The litter box is so easy to clean. Once it's done its cycle, you just have to pull out this drawer. The bag is in there, you undo the bag and you take it out to the garbage. I am so happy to have this litter box because with my busy schedule, sometimes I don't remember, and this helps so much with making sure that the litter box stays clean. And that's my point of view.